Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, we will comparing two popular messaging apps. One is Viber and second is WhatsApp. Instant messaging has become a lifeline for staying connected with your friends. But with so many options out there, which one is the best for you? Stick around as we break it down and help you to choose the one of that fits your lifestyle better. Alright, first up, let's talk about features. WhatsApp is all about simplicity. It's offer text messaging, and video call, and end-to-end encryption for security. It is perfect for everyday communication. On the other hand, Viber takes it a step further, which custom sticker, public chat groups, and even international calls to non-Viber numbers through Viber out. Both apps offer group chats and multimedia sharing, but Viber stickers market gives you more option for creativity. And the section 2 is privacy and security. Now let's talk about privacy and security. Both app offers end-to-end encryption so your messages are secure. But Viber has an edge here. It includes a hidden chat feature for extra privacy, and you can even set messages to yourself, self-destruct. Even though in new WhatsApp update there is update where you can use self-destruction messages into WhatsApp also, but this concept is from Viber. WhatsApp recently added disappearing message, but Viber focus on privacy feels stronger. Plus, WhatsApp has had a history of data breaches, so personally, I would not trust it as much. Next, section 3, usability and availability. When it comes to usability, WhatsApp has a massive global user base, making it easier to connect with anyone. It is also integrated business account, so it is top choice for small businesses. On the other hand, Viber is more popular in Eastern Europe and Asia. It also works seamlessly across mobile uh, and desktop and tablets, so you can switch between devices without any hassle. Now, let's compare which one should you choose. So, which one you should. In my opinion, if you want simplicity and huge user base, WhatsApp is the way to you go. But if you are after extra features and stronger privacy, then you should choose Viber. What do you prefer? Let us know in the comment box. If you found this comparison helpful, smash that like button and thanks for watching.